Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Why, hello there, everybody. My name is Lottie and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, then welcome back. And if this is your first time here, well, welcome. So today, I'm doing a tutorial on this bad boy right here. And what led me to wanting to do this tutorial is that I just wanted to get out of the headspace that I'd been in, and sometimes you just need to switch it up to feel good. So I followed a tutorial that I found, and I'm gonna have it linked in the description box below, because the girl who did it, her hair looked bomb when she was done with it, and I was like, I need that. This is a very simple tutorial. It only requires one product, 3 products. Well, from her video where she started, just 1. But for mine, 3, 4. Okay, mine just requires a few products. That's what I'm trying to say. It doesn't require that much, okay? But anyways, hope y'all stick around. Hope y'all enjoy what you see. Buckle on up. We're about to dive right into this tutorial right here. And I found this tutorial by QuoiaLen. I'm not really sure how her name is said. She only used 1 product. So I got my hefty self up and hit the store. And I picked up the Double Butter Cream, because that's what she used, so that's what I'm gonna use. I also picked up all the Perm Rods she got. The first thing she did was she blow dried her hair. I have no clue what she used or how she did it, but what I'm going to use for products is I'm gonna use this Protecting in Silk Blowout Thermal Spray by OGX. And also, I'm gonna use my homemade Whipped Shea Butter. If you wanna know how to make this, I have a video on it, check it out. Because I figured that for this style, my hair needs to be very light, very fluffy. Since I'm blow drying, I want to make sure that my hair is just a touch damp. So I have with me here a spray bottle. So let's just begin. If you see me looking to the side, it's because I have a mirror right here. The first thing I do when I'm doing my hair is I divide it into sections. I find 4 to be easiest, but you know, it's just really preference at this point. And from one of those sections, I'm going to take a little piece. This piece is just about completely dry. One spray should do the trick. With my Whipped Shea Butter, I really just like to mainly protect my ends with it because, you know, they're old. You gotta respect your elders. And then the remainder that's on my hand, I just run it up my hair shaft. Then, 1 or 2 sprays of the thermal spray. Get that in there nice and good so my hair is nice and protected. Now let's blow her dry. I start from the ends and I work my way to the roots. First piece done, and I'm just gonna repeat that to the rest of the section and my whole head. I finished 1/4 of my hair. I wanted to kind of show the difference, but then again, this is also kind of stretched. So this is 1/4 of my hair. I'm gonna be back when I'm done with this section of my hair. In fact, I'll do a magic trick for you. Ta-da! All right, so I'll be back when I'm done. I'm so tired. Finally done. It only took 10 years, no big deal. Since we're here real quick, let me just time for a length check. It's been a while. Whew. Let's check it out. There it goes. Hopefully I'll keep up with that better in the future, but all right, now that my hair is sectioned, I'm gonna start with the back. So on the very back, I'm gonna use these big ones. All right, relatively small parts. As I Am products, they always smell so good to me. This stuff smells really good, this Double Butter Cream. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. I've honestly never used this before. Just bought this today for this, so. Since I want it to be light, I'm not gonna put too much, but I'm gonna put a touch more, focusing on the ends mainly and work the excess on up. I'm not exactly sure if this is exactly how she did hers, but I try and do the ends flat. Then I do 1 roll, smooth, and twist. Smooth and rope. That's just as good as it's gonna get. Now that I'm done with that color, the next color up is orange. You know, I'm gonna section my hair better. If you can tell, I kind of did this U part, and then just the very middle is going to be the smaller ones. You see how, because of the way I wrapped it, if I just hook this where it fell, this whole part's gonna be loose. And I really don't like when that happens. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the roller behind and then pull it and clip. I don't know if that made any sense, but it just made it much tighter. It's not a loose roll. I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna be back when I'm doing the very last one. Okay, now I'm off to sleep pretty. We'll see how this turns out in the morning. I just need this to be worth the time I spent on it because I I am tired. This is too much for lazy natural. See y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay, it's the next day, so now it's time to take this down. To take down my twist, all I use is oil, and today I'm just using some extra virgin olive oil. Whichever kind you like, you should use. This is just what I always use, so. So first you get some of that bad boy, you know, coat those good old fingertips. Moment of truth. And when you're taking it down, you I twist it in the way that I twisted it before. That's not bad. I can just tell that my hair is gonna fall. I just took out a second one, and I'd be lying if I didn't say that this isn't as defined as I was hoping it was gonna be. But then again, it's still like, I'm still at the very beginning, so who knows what will happen. I'm glad that I didn't use these big ones all over my head and just in the very back. I only used like 6 of the big ones, so that's not bad. Okay. Yeah, I like that one better. So I see why she went tighter, she went up. It makes sense. Dang, I forgot to show my whole head while it was up. Okay, pretend that the bottom few are still my head. You like? All right, back to it. I'm always nervous that I'm gonna forget one in my head. It's funny because I don't even have that much hair, so it wouldn't make sense for me to lose one, but you never know. So this is the orange out. Now for the last little bit. I feel like a dark-skinned Shirley Temple. I don't know. The hair doesn't match the outfit, so I'm gonna change the outfit. I'm gonna ask that y'all just choose not to judge me for my tan lines, all right? Let's get into it. I found that every time I go to separate my hair, this is where I usually mess up. I'm gonna try and be very focused this time. I'm not gonna separate it too much. So as you can see, my hair it's kind of curled clockwise. When I twist it clockwise, it gets tighter. I'm gonna separate each piece into 2. When I split it in 2, as it naturally shouldn't, that wasn't natural. I'm gonna twist it 2 times clockwise. Okay, I think I'm making a big mistake. I don't know. Don't listen to me. I'm not gonna give instructions on this part. Y'all, I don't think my curls are falling so much and I just took this down. It's okay. It's a learning experience. I didn't really separate it that much because I'm nervous. So I'm just gonna pick it out. If y'all can't tell, me doing my hair is always just a guessing game. Everything is a guess. That's almost one of the reasons why I made this channel. It's so that when I do a hairstyle, I can document it, and then when I'm like, hey, I wanna do this hairstyle again. What did I do? How did I do it? I'll have a record, you know? I love big hair, but I feel like this style that I ended up doing by accident, because this is not what I was going for, I feel like it doesn't need to be, oh actually no, it doesn't need to be big. You know what? I'm gonna call it a day right there. Here's the final product. Honestly, this is not what I thought my hair was gonna turn out like. And I'm not mad at it. At first it was giving me Shirley Temple when I first took out the first curls, you know, and before it started dropping a little. But right now it's giving me, I don't know who, but somebody. Wow, I actually really like it. I probably should have separated it a bit more, but I feel like this is fine because this just means that it might last longer. I feel good. I feel good, which was the goal of me doing my hair. This product is actually really good. It smells amazing. My hair smells amazing and feels really light. But I realized that the girl in the video, I feel like she either had 3C, 4A hair at the most. And my hair is a little bit kinkier than that. My hair tends to need jelly or gels, things of that nature to hold a curl. So next time I'm gonna try, I think As I Am has a jelly, doesn't it? Something like that. I might try those 2 products together, this one and that one, or I might just try that product. We'll see in the future. I'll do another one of these. For the results that I did get, I do like them. I think y'all should try this out. It was really, I'm not gonna say it was fun to do. It didn't really, besides the blow drying part, it didn't really require, you could do something else while doing your hair. I'm bad at multitasking, so I did not do that. But you can, you know? I believe in you. But that is enough of my ramblings and my talkings and my bad tutorialingings. I hope y'all enjoyed what you saw. I hope y'all take some of these methods. Check out the original video that I have linked in the description box below where I got inspired from. I have more cool videos on my channel, so feel free to check those bad boys out. And like I said, there's more to come. Y'all have a great day. Y'all have a great week. Y'all have a great time. Till the next time we meet, y'all have a blessed one. See you in the next one.